हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम बैक इन शोल्डर जॉइंट पार्ट 2। शोल्डर जॉइंट पार्ट 2 में हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं यहाँ पे? सबसे पहले रिलेशन, सेकेंड ब्लड सप्लाई, थर्ड नर्व सप्लाई एंड फोर्थ मूवमेंट ऑफ शोल्डर जॉइंट। फिर डायग्राम देखते हैं यहाँ पे। सो पहले डायग्राम आती है यहाँ पे कौन सी? गैलेनोइड कैविटी, ओके, एंड सो देयर इज अ टेंडन ऑफ बाइसेप्स, इज अ synovial membrane, there is a capsule, okay, and now this is the superior relations, okay. The superior relation, there is a acromion process, the coracoid process, acromion process, coracoid process. Between the acromion process and the coracoid process, coracoacromial arch, coracoacromial arch. Deep to the acromion process, there is a bursa, subacromial bursa. Deep to the subacromial bursa, there is a supraspinatus muscles. There is a supraspinatus muscle. So this is the anterior relation or superior relations. Anterior relations, there is a coracobrachialis and short head of biceps. Coracobrachialis and short head of biceps. And there is a deltoid, anterior fiber of deltoid. The deltoid, anterior fiber of deltoid, and there is a pectoralis major muscle. Pectoralis major muscle. Deep to the pectoralis major muscle, there is a subscapular muscle. Subscapularis muscle. Subscapularis muscles. So this is the anterior relation. ये कौन सी यहाँ पे? Anterior relations. Posterior relations, posterior fiber of deltoid. This is the posterior fiber of deltoid. Infraspinatus, teres minor, this is the posterior relation of the shoulder joint. Inferior relation, long head of triceps, posterior circumflex humeral artery, and there is a one nerve, that is a axillary nerve. So this is the relation of the shoulder joint. Now the blood supply anterior and posterior circumflex femoral artery, suprascapular artery, subscapular artery. Nerve supply, that is a axillary nerve and musculocutaneous nerve, lateral pectoral nerve. Now the movement is a flexion. So this is the flexion of the shoulder joint. Flexion of the shoulder joint is by the pectoralis major and deltoid. So the anterior fiber of the pectoralis major, the anterior fiber of the deltoid, the flexions. Extension, deltoid, posterior fiber of the deltoid, extension, and latissimus dorsi. That is the extension. Abduction, supraspinatus up to 0 to 50 degree. Supraspinatus 0 to 15 degree. Deltoid, that is middle fiber of deltoid, 15 to 90 degree, and serratus anterior along with trapezius 90 to 180 degree. So the abduction of the shoulder joint. Now adduction. Again, pectoralis major and latissimus dorsi, adduction of the shoulder joint. Lateral rotation, that is a deltoid, infraspinatus and teres minor. Now the medial rotations. Okay, the medial rotation by the pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi, deltoid and teres major. So this is all about the joint, that is the shoulder joint part 2. Thank you for watching this video.